prove that under root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, let us assume, we are assuming under root 5 is the rational number we are taking. It means what do you mean by rational number? The number which can represent in P upon Q form, means numerator upon denominator form. See here, under root 5 is equal to A upon B, where A and B are co-prime. Co-prime means its common factor is only 1. 1 is the common factor, or what we can say, HCF of A and B will be 1. Here HCF of A and B is 1. It is very clear. It means we can say, in other words, we can say A and B will be in the simplest form. Okay, now taking square both sides, square is both sides. Root 5 square is 5. It is very clear. This is A square upon B square. I think up to here there is no problem. Then take cross multiplication here. See, 5b square equal to A square. 5b square equal to A square. This is the thing. What is the meaning is, A square is divisible by 5. Okay, A square is divisible by 5 here. What is the meaning? It means A is also divisible by 5. Okay, it means if I take, let A is equal to 5c and c is any integer, I am taking A is equal to 5c and putting in equation number 1. By equation 1 and 2, what we can say, 5b square this and this 5b square both as it is. Then what, on place of A I am putting 5c. Okay, so first then what will come? 5c whole square. 5c whole square is 25c square. Okay, then if I simplify, divide by 5, we will get 5c square. What 5 square is? B square is equal to 5c square. What is the meaning again? B square is divisible by 5. Definitely B will be divisible by 5. Okay, now here you see, here A is divisible by 5 and B is also divisible by 5. It means 5 is the common factor of A and B. Okay, 5 will be the common factor of A and B. But what we have seen, A and B are co-prime and common factor will be only 1. But here is common factor is what? Other than 1 also. It means whatever we are thinking, that is wrong. Here is contradiction. Okay, it means A and B due to, because it is given A and B are co-prime. Here A and B is not co-prime. It means whatever we assumed it, that is wrong. What we assume? Under root 5 is a rational number. It is wrong. If not a rational number, then what will be under root 5? This will be irrational number. Then write under root 5 is an irrational. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Okay, we are assuming this. If it is a rational number, then we can represent it P upon Q form or A upon B form. Here is A upon B form. This is your rational number. So 3 plus 2 root 5, this is in A upon B form. If I send 3 that side, then subtraction of 2, these integers is again a rational number. I am subtracting this. After solving again, I will get rational number. Okay. If I divide it, then again I will get rational number. Then what is coming? Root 5 is equal to A minus 3b upon 2b, and this is your rational number. But what we know that under root 5 is an irrational number. Under root 5 is an irrational number. But we also know irrational number never equal to any rational number. Okay, and it is your contradiction. Okay, our assumption was wrong. What we assumed here, it is a rational number and it is coming, here is coming irrational number. It means whatever we assume, it is wrong. So what is right then? 3 plus 2 root 5 is not a rational number. It will be an irrational number. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, this we have to prove. earlier we have seen, what we have seen, these type of questions, irrational number proving, and that you have to assume its reciprocal is its opposite thing. Here is given irrational number, you have to prove. Let us take 7 root 5 is a rational number. If 7 root 5 is rational number, then it will be in a upon b form. Okay, so 7 root 5 is equal to a upon b, and a upon b is what? It is a rational number. It is very clear. Okay, then send 7 down here. What is coming? A upon 7b, and a upon 7b is clearly rational number. Okay, what is coming here? Under root 5 is equal to a upon 7b. But under root 5 is what? Irrational number. We know that under root 5 is an irrational number. So what is coming here? Irrational number is equal to any rational number? No. Irrational number never equal to any rational number. It is a contradiction. Whatever we have assumed, and it is coming this. So our assumption is wrong. What we assumed it? 7 root 5 is a rational number. It is wrong. If it is not a rational number, then it will be what? This will be irrational number. So we can say 7 root 5 is an irrational